Postural analysis. Click Start Detection and enter personal information under the Body Posture Detection module. Have the customer stand 2 meters directly in front of the equipment. Click on the front, side, and back inspection in order to evaluate. Obtain test results. Analyze high and low shoulders, scoliosis, pelvic tilt, and other problems, and evaluate the severity. Finally, multiple health risks such as dizziness, knee pain, etc. are predicted. The higher the score, the better the posture. Foot pressure analysis. Let customers stand in the equipment testing area for foot pressure testing and analysis. Enter personal information and click Start Test. After about 8 seconds, it will prompt that the detection is completed. Click View Report to know the plantar pressure distribution value, including center of gravity position, pressure peak, arch type, foot posture type, and other information. Assess 5 major risks, including gait, posture, and sports injuries. Finally, a personalized insole solution was recommended to help us choose the appropriate customized insole style. Click the Print button in the upper right corner to print the report. Insole customization. Confirm the insole size that matches the customer's feet. After the heater is preheated to 110 degrees, put the insole into the heating chamber and heat it for 6 minutes. After ensuring that the support plate is evenly softened, it can be molding. Align the insole size with the pillow markings. Stand on the molding pillow, bend your knees slightly, and keep your body in the neutral position. After about 80 seconds, the custom molding is completed. Take out the insole and set it aside to cool. Do the same with the other insole. After cooling, trim to appropriate size based on original insole. Finally, walk away with your custom-fit insole.